Assalamualaikum. Walaikum assalam. How are you all? How are you all? We are fine. No shouting, please. Right. Today we are going to learn about vowels. Do you want to learn about vowels? Huh? Okay, now see. How many vowels we have? We have 5 vowels. How many vowels we have? 5. 5. How many vowels we have? 5 vowels. We have 5 vowels. How many vowels? 5 vowels. Which are a, e, o, a. See, a, e, o, a. Now say a, e, o, a. We have 5 vowels. We have 5 vowels. We have 5 vowels. A, e, o, a. A, e, o, a. A, e, o, a. A. Say again. A, e, o, a. We have 5 vowels. We have 5. Muhammad, look at me. We have 5 vowels. Show your fingers also. We have 5 vowels. We have 5 vowels. Anaya, we have 5 vowels. Shazan, we have 5 vowels. A, e, o, a. A, e, o, a. A, e, o, a. A, e, o, a. Very good. Now let me write it on your finger. Yes. Now show me your hand. Show me your hand, Muhammad, like this. Show. Yes. A, e, o, a. Now say a, e, o, a. A, e, o, a. Cross your legs, dear. Cross your legs. Sit properly. Yes. We have 5 vowels. We have 5 vowels. A, e, o, a. Come on. How many vowels we have? How many vowels we have? 5. Yes. A. Yes, very good. Muhammad, you tell me how many vowels we have? No. First tell me how many vowels we have. 5. Yes. Now say. Now tell the names. A. Yes. A. Very good. Now Shazan, you tell me how many vowels we have? Now look at this. See, a, e, o, a. A, e, o, a. A, e, o, a. Say Anaya. A, e, o, a. We have 5 vowels. 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 A, e, o, a. A, e, o, a. Very good. A is for apple. A is for elephant. E is for igloo. O is for orange. And A is for umbrella. Umbrella. Yes. So please sit down, Tahur. Please sit down. Excuse me. We need to say. Okay, now say, everybody show your hand. A, e, o, a. 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 Mashallah. Good job. Well done. Now we will remember our 5 vowel. Okay. A, e, o, a.